Unit 1B, Lesson 5. This lesson will align with 4.3 in your textbooks. Again, this lesson is going to be over making constructions. Standard is construct an equilateral triangle, a square, and a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. The first construction we're going to complete is how to construct an equilateral triangle. Suppose I have one of the sides of our triangle right here. We're going to use a compass, align our compass on one end of our segment, extend our compass out so we get that distance, and now we can rotate it and construct an arc going that way. Move our compass over here and construct another arc going this way. And now if we make some segments connecting our first endpoint to this intersection, and from this intersection to the other endpoint, now we have constructed an equilateral triangle. All of these side lengths are the same. Next, we're going to construct a square using a compass again. Suppose we have one of the lengths of the side of the square. What I'm going to do is extend this side length out. Okay, just extend this to the right, just giving us a reference point to use. Because now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this compass, align it on that vertex, the endpoint, extend it out, construct an arc, and construct another arc. Now what I'm going to do, if I can get my compass back over here, where these intersections occur, I'm going to line the compass up, extend it so that we reach far out, construct an arc, move the compass over to this other endpoint. Whoops, did not want to do that. If we move the compass over to this other intersection, draw the arc, we can see where that intersection occurs. Now we need to connect our original endpoint to that intersection. Draw a straight line through there. Now we're going to take the compass again, put it back on our first endpoint to the left, move our compass so that we get this distance. Now I'm going to move it, align it up to that vertex, construct an arc going through so we have the correct distance. Now I'm going to move it over to our first endpoint again, construct this arc for that distance. Now one last arc we have to draw, put it on this intersection, rotate down, and construct this arc. Okay, so now we have all of our intersections. All we need to do now is connect all of these points. So we have our first endpoint, connect it to this intersection, connect this intersection over to the right to this intersection. Now we have a square. All the sides are the same length using a compass. The last construction is how to construct a regular hexagon inscribed inside a circle. Okay, so we have our circle, we have our center. Using the compass, we're going to extend out and measure the radius. Okay, and what I'm going to do is make a point where that occurs. Okay, that's going to give us a reference point. Now using that radius, I'm going to go along the circle and draw arcs in equal increments. Arc there. Second arc. Third arc. Now one more. So now we have all these arcs drawn. All we have to do now is connect all of these segments. So if I connect this intersection over to here, connect to here, continue on. And now we have a regular hexagon. All the side lengths are the same. All the interior angles are the same measure. Okay, so we went through how to construct an equilateral triangle, how to construct a square, and now how to construct a regular hexagon inscribed in a circle.